to welcome the maiden call of the Disney Magic Cruise today here in Genoa. In 2017, we had the launch of 19 new cruise vessels with 26.6 million cruise passengers worldwide, and a total economic impact of $126 billion. North America is the leading market with over 12 million passengers, whilst Europe registered approximately 7 million cruise passengers, a 2.5% increase on 2016. The Western Central Mediterranean is the top cruising area in Europe with over 2.2 million passengers. In 2017, the Port of Genoa registered 400 cruise calls and approximately 1.8 million passengers, consolidating its leadership as the second cruise port in Italy and the fourth in the Mediterranean. The Port of Genoa are easily accessible by coach or by car, and they are only 3 miles away from Genoa's international airport. Our cruise terminals are equipped to offer the highest level of security, efficiency, and comfort for all cruise passengers. Disney Magic, as was mentioned before, was built by Italian shipyard Fincantieri, one of the major shipyards in the world, and is usually deployed in the Caribbean. We are more than happy to welcome here today in the Mediterranean. We know that in 2018 we will have 3 calls here in Genoa. In recent years, thousands of tourists have admired our historic center, a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. More than 50% of passengers who visit Genoa are impressed by the striking beauty of the city and decide to return for a longer stay. The heart of the city is one of the largest historic centers, a Middle Age historic center in Europe, with marble Renaissance mansions. Genoa offers the Disney cruise with a full array of family-friendly attractions, namely the aquarium, the largest in Europe, the kids' town, the Maritime Museum, and whale watching. The city also has the Walt Disney Nursery School, and recently celebrated the 80th anniversary of the foundation of the Children's Hospital, probably the most famous children's hospital we have in Europe, the Giannina Gaslini, which is located in Genoa. And we celebrated the anniversary together with the Walt Disney Italian subsidiary, which happened to be created 80 years ago as well in Milan. This is a great opportunity for us, and the city is firmly committed to meet the challenge. The local authorities and the police department have joined forces to guarantee the highest level of security and efficiency. We take security very seriously, and we know that it is a very critical and crucial issue for American families. So we are strongly committed to pursue in guaranteeing you the highest level of security in the coming years. We are ready to further improve the appeal of Genoa as a cruise destination in view of the forthcoming calls of Disney Cruise Line. Thank you.